Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Today we're going to talk about the last episode of this After Effects series. Yes, we've learned a lot about After Effects in the last 9 episodes. In the first episode, we looked at the basics of After Effects. What is After Effects? Why do people use it? What kind of fields can we use to create? What kind of videos can we create in After Effects? After that, we learned about the interface of After Effects, what are the panels and icons inside After Effects, and how to go to the next step. What did we see in the third video? We used all the basic things we learned to create a basic animation. Right? We created a basic animation. What's next? That's how we learned about text layer and shape layer in detail in 2 videos. All this is done. We created a basic animation. What's next? We used a graph editor to add a little smoothness. We learned about graph editor to make our animation even more beautiful. We also learned about rendering. To make it even more practical, we created a demo project. We created 2 demo projects. One was a slideshow, and the other was a motion graphic style animation. In the slideshow, we saw how to import images, how to animate through images, and what transition is. Even in motion graphics, we have seen how to animate in motion graphics style, how to take an image from Illustrator to After Effects, and how to visualize and animate it. Today we are going to talk about some useful tools, plugins, and tips. We are going to talk about the small things that you need to focus on in motion graphics, so watch the video completely. It will be very useful to you. Today, I am not going to open After Effects. I am just going to share my experience with you. You can share your experience in the comment box. Okay, so let's go to the video and talk about the rest. Now we are going to see something that you should focus on in motion graphics. In motion graphics, we have learned how to focus. We are just going to create in the software. That's it, right? If you think so, definitely not. There are many things that you have to focus on separately. First of all, you have to update yourself. To be updated, you need to know the latest trends, videos, audience, etc. That's what you need to focus on. Next, you need to know your target audience. If you are making a specific video, you have to pay attention to who is going to get that information. Now, you have to pay attention to whether they are old, young, or middle-age group and create the video accordingly. Okay, after that, you have to focus on the color palette. I told you about your target audience, right? We should use the colors that the target audience likes. If you are a kid, it should be colorful. If you are an adult, it should be limited in color. You should focus on these things. Next, target audience is based on choosing the character. If we are doing Indian-based videos, we should use Indian-related characters, like their dressing, etc. If it is a foreigner, we should use related to their characters. So we should focus on these things. Next one is, when animating in After Effects, always focus on 2 key things, time and smoothness. Timing is what gives your animation rhythm. It decides how fast or slow your movement feels. Smoothness, on the other hand, makes your motion look natural and professional. Next, it is best to add SFX in your video. Don't say you don't have time. Please adjust and add SFX as much as you can. Because when you add SFX, your video will be even more beautiful. But you shouldn't add it just because you want to add something. You can add SFX as per the scene or shot you need. Next, music is very important to us. If you ask me what is the biggest job of a musician, it is to make that video happy or sad. So what you have to do is, when you choose music, you have to decide what the video is for, what the video is going to say, and to whom the video is going to say. You have to add music to it. You have to make a video for the elderly. If you play youthful music for them, they won't like it. So, we shouldn't do what they don't like, right? If we choose the music according to that, the target audience will definitely like it. After Effects has a lot of plugins. You don't have to do everything yourself. We have a lot of plugins, presets and templates. But let me give you a disclaimer. If you are coming into After Effects, don't take a template right away. Don't look for a plugin right away. Always try it first and see if you can achieve it. If you can't do it because you don't have time, if you are in a situation where you have to make a lot of videos in a short period of time, you can use plugins, templates, or presets. If you have time, try it out manually. Only then you can learn After Effects in detail. we have come to the end of this video. Not only that, we have come to the end of the series. Keep watching our channel. We are going to talk about many more episodes and many more things. More importantly, there are going to be a lot of small videos. Be ready for everything. We can learn a lot. We are going to talk a lot about After Effects, animation, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, etc. We are going to take a look at all the softwares on the media side. We are not going to stop here. This is just the starting. We believe that you would have learned a lot from this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. See you in the next video. Until then, BL signing off.